Good morning, budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. I'm glad to have you here. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting faux pas so that you don't make the same mistakes I did, because trust me, you don't want to. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, pull up a seat, stay a while. Today, we are going to have fun because today is all about the monies. So, we are going to cash stuff today. We should have $580. I am so excited about this one, you guys. Okay, so we have 350, 70, 90, 410, 30, 50, 70, 90, 500. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 5, 40, 5, 50, 5, 60. And we should have 21s. Let me back all of this up a bit because it is too much. Okay, or it's too close. Okay, so let's see if we got 21s because that'll give us our 580. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we've got $580. Right here to stuff. Y'all, I'm so excited because I don't normally see this many bills. Take a breath, Erica. Okay, so we're going to start out with what goes in my wallet. Speaking of my wallet, I keep forgetting to break out the change. So let's do that. Let's get these out of the way. And I've been using my cash wallet, y'all. As you know, I keep enough change in my wallet so that I don't make the next denomination up and so that I can make change if I need to. Need a nickel and, 3 and 4 pennies. So this is going to stay in my wallet in case I need to make change somewhere. This is all going to go in here. So yeah, not looking too shabby, y'all. Set that over there out of the way. And now on to the dollar bills, y'all. Okay, nothing is going in clothing this time. Eat Out is gonna get $8. Okay. Would have helped if I'd have made sure I had a marker. Y'all don't mind me. So this should give us 54. We have 20, 45, 50, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're doing better in there than I thought we were. That's good news. And my envelope is going to get $25 because we actually had some decent money come. I've been traveling for work, so I've been stopping to get food, and that's where all of my money's going. So that should give me $32. I have 25, 31, and 2. So it does give me $32. Okay, that is all for what's in my wallet. So we're just gonna put those back there so that they're out of the way. Oh, I think I missed one. There we go. That's better. And now we're going to break out the black binder. So appliances is going to get $3. So that should give us $136. So we've got 100, 25, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 136. Let me make sure we don't need to color anything. Nope. No coloring for this one, not for a while. I think that's all for this binder. I'm going to set it to the side and pull out the white binder. Now the white binder is just the other half of the important things that are in the black one. We just didn't have enough room. We want the grandkids, and they're going to get $19. We have been using this money to help my daughter get diapers and wipes recently. On occasion, the hope was that we would set aside money to take the grandkids to do fun things and be fun grandparents, but not so much. That's okay though. They've got needs, not just wants, that need to be met. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21 for the grandkids. And that is everything for this binder. Y'all, this is easy. Easy peasy. Now, the teal one is the holidays binder. So let's jump in here. New Year's Eve is gonna get $6. So that should put me at 44. We have 20, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we do have 44. So that means we should have 29 colored in. So we need to color in these 4. Okay, so we're more than halfway to it. Now, Thanksgiving. I had to pull some money out of here, y'all. Hurt my soul. Out of the Halloween envelope. Thanksgiving is $11. Let's see, we need 10 and a 1. Should give me 78. So let's see what we got. So we got 50, 60, 75, 6, 7, and 8. 78 divided by 2 is 39. So we've got some coloring to do. Almost got distracted by the dogs, y'all. That's getting awfully close. We're $22 away from our goal for Thanksgiving. That's good news. Christmas is gonna get $85. So we got 50, 70, 85. That is so awesome, you guys. There are not words for how excited I am about the $85. Oh, feels like getting back on track. Okay, so that's gonna put me at $700. Let's count. Oh, I smeared it. Not with my hand. What did I smear it with? I don't know. $700. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 700. It's 29. So we do need to color in 2 more. Okay, so we're getting there. We're getting much closer. We won't be as far off as I thought we would be, I don't think. Which makes me feel better. Okay, so that's everything for the holiday binder. And now we've got the Hopes and Dreams binder, which is the yellow one. First thing in here, of course, is the Debt Snowball for August, which currently has nothing in it, but we are about to make its day. Because the Debt Snowball is getting 245, 6, 7, 8. And I have not been good about replacing this, so we're adding 248, and that'll put 248 in this envelope. Let's count this, because it makes me happy, y'all. We have 1, 2, 20, 45, 6, 7, and 8. $248. The goal is 50, so we're not going to color anything in because we have passed that up with flying colors. The next thing that we're going to put money into is lipedema, which means we are adding $114. So let's do 110. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be 148. So we've got 100, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So $148 for lipedema. That is enough to cover one night stay at the hotel that we've got to go to in Atlanta. So that's awesome. And then lastly, we're putting $61 in the wedding. So we'll have $766. I still haven't updated the tracker yet, so we won't color anything in because this has changed. And once I update it, I'll just go ahead and color in what we've got so far, and then we'll add to it as we go. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 20, 40, 65, 6. So $766 toward the wedding. Cha-ching, y'all, cha-ching. Oh, I guess I need to put that back in, don't I? Oopsie, my bad. And that is everything that we have for this cash stuffing. It's a great one, lots of money. My next video should be the, August 25th paycheck budget, I believe. So be sure to join me for that one. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen. I will see you all next time. Have a great day, everybody. Bye!